Today's video is not about giving any sort of clarity. It is not one of those 5 things I learned from doing XYZ kind of a video. It's not a do these things and your life will change magically sort of a video. This video is to honor thoughts and questions that stay on the top of my head without me realizing. This video is for those feelings that pass by without me knowing that they're even here for me. It's to honor those thoughts, those questions, those feelings. And I'm here to give them space. And I'm recording this, putting it up online, so you don't feel alone when you want to give them space as well. Hi, welcome to Latte Regards, Devanshi. My name is Devanshi, and I'm here to take you on a journey with me to sort of self-explore and just have a slow down moment in life. I hope you enjoyed today's video and maybe you were able to relate with some of the questions that I have for myself and some of the questions that even you have that are completely different from me, but now you know how to stay with them. I hope you enjoy this journey as much as I do. I have few questions in my mind that are very rhetoric in nature. I have found myself numerous times trying to solve and find an answer, but I keep coming back to the question like it's a magnet. It has some magnetic energy that just brings me back to it no matter what happens. Here are a few questions that stay with me throughout the day. They wake me up in the morning and let me sleep at night. The first question being, what would happen if I could So here are a few questions that stay with me throughout the day. They wake me up in the morning and they let me sleep at night. The first question being, what part of me do I miss that I know the little me used to do, but now life took over and I cannot do anymore? Honestly, don't we all wish that we want to have a childhood again? Being an adult, well, almost an adult, sucks. You just want to have fun in life, but responsibilities take over, studies take over. You have the, oh my god, what am I going to do in my career? One tension. And if you're a bit older than me, if you've already had your career started and everything, then the different kind of tension comes in of, oh my god, how will I continue doing the same work for the next 40 years of my life? Or I have to get married, I have to have kids and just start a family, and all of these tensions just start coming and we start missing being the one we were when we were little kids. That is one question that keeps coming back to my mind every single day. What activities can I add in my daily life that would make me not miss my little me as much and let her be a part of the adult me so that she doesn't feel alone? The second question that I keep coming back to is, what would happen if I stop being good at everything that I do? What I mean by that is, some things I just want to do it because I want to get the fun out of it. But the whole notion of being good at something stops me from trying multiple things in life, because what if I'm not good at it? What if I cannot be perfect in the first try? What if it sucks? What if I cannot do it? But we won't know until we try, and it doesn't have to be good in everything. We all know that. But yet this thought keeps coming back to my mind every single day, and it stops me from trying numerous things in my daily routine, and I have no idea how to keep this thought with me, honor it, and still try doing new things. We also very often take rest but our mind is already on the next task that we are supposed to do. The moment we take an afternoon nap, we are already jotting down the things that needs to happen after the nap is completed. Because at some point, we start feeling guilty about the rest that we take. This leads me to the third question that I have. Will there ever be a day where I take rest without feeling guilty? And this is something that I struggle with very often. The needs that I have for myself. By that means the rest that I need, or being assertive, or being authoritative at times. When it comes to me being in a position that can be not questioned, but responsible, I take a step back and I don't know how to do it again. So when I'm taking rest, I am already planning my next thing. I'm planning what needs to happen after I take the rest. Say if it's a day later, then what do I need to do tomorrow so that today I can rest? Or if it's just a nap, then what do I need to do an hour later so that I can take this rest? And honestly, it would be so nice to feel the goodness of a rest without having the pressure of what am I going to do next. And I genuinely know that there will be some of you on the internet who are also going to feel the same, who are also going to think about, yes, I also rest with guilt. I also want to rest without guilt. Honestly, they're the same. It's not like I have everything figured out. And this is exactly why I have made this video. I do not have everything figured out. Sometimes internet also overstimulates me because I feel like everybody else except for me knows everything that is there to know about. But honestly, I don't let that stop me from doing all sorts of things. Except for the little voice that says that why am I not good at everything that I do? There is nothing that stops me from trying. Well, that voice needs to stay there so that I can give it some space. These thoughts aren't as loud as they seem. Most of them occur in the most quietest moments of my day-to-day routine. And they creep over like me without me realizing. And then it starts affecting the work that I do, the routines that I create for myself. And I start questioning, why am I not able to do something, when in reality, it is these questions that stop me. Well, not stop me, but they become an obstacle for me to continue forward. Now again, as I said, I don't have everything figured out. I don't know how to tackle these problems or tackle these questions. Not problems, but questions. I don't know how to tackle these questions also. But it's fine. The idea that I am even acknowledging to have these questions in the first place is a step forward than not doing anything about it. And I'm glad that I was able to share this journey with you. If any question, if any point of this video you were able to relate to me, let me know in the comment section below. We are not alone in this. With that, signing off. Late regards, Devanshi.